Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the biology practical. So for biology practical, you have to buy this size of practical copy where the one side will be the lines are there, one side white paper is there to make the diagrams. Now the first experiment that is there in biology is to prepare stained temporary mounts of onion peel and human cheek cell, that is the plant cell and animal cell, and to record the observations and draw their labeled diagrams. Now in the PDF I have already given the aims or aim of the experiment, then the about the the theory of plant cell and animal cell, what you will see there. And then it is their procedure. First is the materials required, then the procedure, then the observation, inference, that means the conclusion, and the precautions. So both are there for the onion cell, onion peel cell, and the human cheek cell. So what you will do is you will write in the left side, and beside the procedure what I have given the diagram, that diagram you will draw in the right side in the white paper. So just where you are writing the procedure, beside that you will draw it. Now the experiment is, that is for the onion peel cell, that is the plant cell. First we have to take the onion, a small size of onion, then it is cut with the knife, and then epidermal layer, that is the fine peel, is taken out with the forceps. Now another side, watch glass is taken, a small glass, that is the watch glass. There the stain is taken, that is the saffron in solution, and it is diluted with the water. Then the peel is taken and put it into that solution for 2 to 3 minutes so that it can get the stain. Now next is, that is it is taken out from this stain and put it into the another watch glass where the distilled water is there. Now we will take the one slide, that is the glass slide, that is this type of slide is there, glass slide. Now over there in the middle 2 drops of glycerin is taken, and then this peel, that is the stained peel, which is already given in the distilled water to remove the excess stain, that is put into this glycerin. Then after that a small this cover slip is taken, and then with the help of the needle over this peel we will put it. But the precautions should be taken that no air bubbles enter there. Now before putting the cover slip, we will cut that peel into square shape with the help of the blade, and then we will after giving the cover slip, we will press the cover slip with the needle so that excess stain can come out from the overslip, from sides of the cover slip, and then we can blot it out with the help of blotting paper. Then it is ready for seeing under the or observing under the microscope. Now what we will see is, in the plant cell we will see the cell wall, and then we will see the prominent nucleus, big vacuoles, and the stained cytoplasm. Next one is, that is the human cheek cell, that is the animal cell, where we will see it is a human cheek cell, that means the animal cell. In this case we will observe the plasma membrane, no cell wall will be there, no big vacuoles will be there, a prominent nucleus will be there, and irregular shaped shells will be there. Now what is the procedure? That is, we have to take the stain, methylene blue, and we will dilute it in a watch glass. Then with the help of toothpick we will just trap inside, from inside our cheek. So from there that cheek cell will come out, and we will put it into the slide first, that is the dry slide. Then over it, from methylene blue 2 to 3 drops of will be given over the scrap cheek cell, and then we will put the cover slip there. Same way, that is no bubbles should enter there, and then we will blot the excess tail, and now it is ready to observe the animal cell or the human cheek cell. So this way you will write it properly in your practical copy, and also you will draw it properly with the pencil.